Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to configure Emirates EID Windows service. You will get setup files in a zip folder. You can keep it anywhere, but we will recommend to keep it at some secure and nested path so that it is not reached by any user during normal activities. Let's extract it here. Go into the folder. You will get all these files. This exe is the service file. To install Windows Service, we need to run a command. Go to Start menu. Type cmd. Right-click on it. And click Run as administrator. Go one step back by cd ... and hit Enter. Type cd Microsoft.net, hit Enter. Type framework, hit Enter. Now we have to go into folder that is named the highest version. Let's list all files and directories by typing dir command. At my PC v4.0.30319 is the highest. Your might have same or different one. Let's go into that folder. Now type install util.exe and put path and file name in quotation. After install util.exe, if you put -i, it will install that Windows service, while if you put -u, it will uninstall that Windows service. Let's put -i and then hit Enter. As message is showing, our Windows service is installed. Now let's open Windows Services. Press Windows key and R. Type services.msc. Hit Enter. Yes, EID Reader is installed. Double-click it. See all its details. See, its startup type is automatic. It means it will be automatically started as soon this Windows boots up. There will be no need to manually start it after each time this computer is turned on or restarted. You can start the service by clicking the Start link. Or open the service by double-clicking and then click Start button. After starting Windows Service, you will be able to see details at localhost :8585. Let's open a browser and access this URL. At top it is showing a brief documentation, and below that there is a testing section is provided where you can test reading card. But it will not work now as we have not activated the license for this PC. Let's try clicking Read Card button. It is showing the message that no license found, please activate the app. And it has redirected us to activation page. On this page, we have to enter email address and license code that you received on purchasing Emirates EID Reader service. It will be something like this. Note: for license activation, it needs internet to verify your provided details. After that, reading card data can also work in offline mode. If you don't have internet at client PC, you can also request to give you offline license key. For that you have to go to the Windows Service path. This service is creating this PC signature file whenever the service is started. It contains hard disk, processor, mainboard and other hardware details to uniquely identify this PC. The license will work for this PC for unlimited time even after reinstalling Windows, but if hardware parts are replaced then it will not work. OK, for offline activation, send this PC_signature.txt file to Alam. He will provide you a file named license.key. Just paste it here in the Windows Service folder. Now let's see it is working or not. Yes, see, the license activation page is now showing. Your license has been activated with these information. See, its expiry is unlimited, license code, license email. You can also download the license key and keep it saved with you and use it as offline activation in case of reinstalling Windows. Let's go to Home page and try reading card. Yes, it is now reading card public data. Let's go to Code Sample menu. At top, you will find HTML part of sample page. While at bottom, you will find jQuery part. There is AJAX request to localhost :8585. On response, the data is populated in HTML inputs. Now come to Home page and open the link that is reading card to see JSON response. Right-click on this link and click Open in a new tab. Yes, it showed the card data in JSON format including picture and signature images in base64 format. One important thing you need to consider before starting implementation of this service, that is, you have to make sure port 8585 is not already in use of any other service in any of your client PC where you have to read Emirates ID. Because if port 8585 is already in use, then this service will not work. If port 8585 is already in use in any of your client PC or there are chances to be used in future, then choose some different port number and open this settings.json file and replace 8585 with that port number and restart Windows service. You have to make sure all your client PCs are using same port because they will be using same web application. Or for some special cases, you can also handle keeping some client's PC with different port number by maybe saving port number in client cookie or local storage and then use that one while making AJAX request.